In this video, I'm going to be providing you with a HostGator coupon code discount that will get you a HostGator discount of up to 70% off, saving you money on your HostGator hosting purchase, plus get you a free domain name on annual plans. You want to start by clicking the link in the description below to get your HostGator discount. The discount is automatically applied. A little disclosure, the link is an affiliate link, meaning I'll receive a commission from HostGator at no extra cost to you. Plus, you'll get an awesome HostGator discount. Once you click the link in the description, you'll be on the HostGator page. Click the Get Started button. You'll now be on the HostGator Hosting Plans page. The Hatchling plan is a good plan if you're only going to have one website. The plan comes with 10 gigabytes of SSD storage, unmetered bandwidth, basic email included, a free domain for the first year, free SSL for the first year, WordPress pre-installed, and malware scanning. The baby plan comes with up to 2 websites, 20 gigabytes of SSD storage, phone and chat support, unmetered bandwidth, basic email included, free domain for the first year, free SSL, WordPress pre-installed, malware scanning, Cloudflare CDN, and increased performance with 2 vCPUs. The business plan comes with up to 3 websites, 40 gigabytes of SSD storage, phone and chat support, unmetered bandwidth, basic email included, free domain for the first year, free SSL, WordPress pre-installed, malware scanning, Cloudflare CDN, increased performance, 3 vCPUs, daily website backup free for the first year, and domain privacy free for the first year. Choose the plan you like. I'll select the Hatchling plan for this tutorial. On this page, you'll see you'll get a free domain name for a year with annual plans. Where you see billing cycle, click this. You'll see the terms and pricing for HostGator. You'll see the savings you'll save. You can choose a monthly term, 12-month term, and 36-month term. Continue entering your account information, payment information, and any additional HostGator add-ons you'd like. You'll see the Enter a Coupon Code section. HostGator recently got rid of coupon codes. The discount is automatically applied, and a HostGator coupon code is not needed with the HostGator offer. Enjoy your HostGator coupon code discount so you can save some money on your HostGator hosting purchase. Give this video a thumbs up and leave us a comment. Let us know if the tutorial was helpful or not, as the comments help improve our tutorials. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more HostGator hosting tutorial videos.